Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook news feed not loading on iPhone. So first check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, completely close the Facebook app. For that, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, remove Facebook from your recently opened apps, and then try opening Facebook again. And next, you should go to App Store and check whether there's an update available for Facebook. And if there is, install it and try loading your newsfeed again. Finally, check whether Facebook is experiencing a temporary service outage. And if it is, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. So that was how to fix Facebook newsfeed not loading on iPhone. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.